In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a single person to your audience, fill in useful details for personalization, and keep your list clean and compliant. First, sign into your Mailchimp account and open your dashboard. In the main navigation, click Audience. This is your home base for managing subscribers and their information. If you have more than one audience, make sure the correct one is selected before you continue. Next, choose Add Contacts, then select Add a Single Contact. This option is perfect when you just need to add one person manually without importing a file. Start by entering the email address. This is the only required field, and it must be valid and one you have permission to use. Mailchimp is strict about consent, so only add people who have explicitly agreed to receive your messages. If the email already exists in your audience, Mailchimp will simply update the profile rather than create a duplicate. Add the first name and last name. These fields are optional but highly recommended. Names allow you to personalize subject lines and content using merge tags, which can noticeably improve engagement and make your emails feel more human. If you have it, enter the mailing address. A complete address, including country, city, and postal code, can help with location-based segments and ensures your campaign footers meet regional requirements. It's optional, so don't worry if you don't have every piece of information yet. Add a phone number if it's relevant to your communications. Include the country code, and make sure you have permission if you plan to send SMS. Even if you're not texting, a phone number can be helpful for customer profiles and internal notes. Enter a birthday if you want to enable birthday messages or special automations. Mailchimp typically stores the month and day, which makes it easy to schedule celebratory emails without needing the year. If it's useful for your workflow, add the company name. This is great for B2B segmentation, account-based marketing, or filtering contacts by organization. Before saving, click Add tags to organize the contact. You can select existing tags or create new ones on the spot. Use clear, descriptive tags like interests, life cycle stage, or acquisition source so you can build precise segments and trigger the white automations later. When everything looks good, click Add Contact to save. You'll see a confirmation and the new profile will appear in your audience. That's it. Audience, add contacts, add a single contact, fill in details, tag, and save. Review entries for accuracy to avoid bounces and keep your list healthy.